Hello friends, how are you friends? Today I am going to translate a new song. And friends, you know that the purpose of translating the song is only making you able to get difficult to difficult sentences for translation. Because friends, if your translation power is very strong, then only in this case friends you will get good marks in your SSC, Bank, Railway, NDA, Army or any competitive level examination. And also there will be good chance to get good marks in your home examination and board examination. And friends, if you want to speak English with full confidence for a long time and fluently, then friends you have to improve your translation. And friends, in the last of each video I show some special notes, and these notes are very important. Friends, you have to take opportunity, you have to take benefit of this opportunity. And friends, during the translation of song you have to pay attention mostly on 2 points. One translation is literal and one is meaning, so we have to focus on meaning translation. So friends, let's start the video.
तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के वो आता है, जिसको तू चाहे ए नबी तू बुलाता है।
तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के वो आता है, जिसको तू चाहे हे नबी तू बुलाता है। तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के वो आता है, जिसको तू चाहे हे नबी तू बुलाता है। फ्रेंड्स, you see in the last of the sentence ता है, and from day one video I am saying to you, you see in the last of the sentence what is given, and if in the last ता है, ती है, ते है, ता हूँ, ते हूँ is given, then friend it is present indefinite, simple present. So we have to use the rules of present indefinite here, and its main rule is with singular subject, singular verb, and with plural subject, plural verb. So here subject is singular, so we have to use the word comes. The line is तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के वो आता है। तेरे दरबार में, इन योर कोर्ट, दिल थाम के मीन्स विथ फुल फेथ वो आता है। वो आता है मीन्स ही कम्स, ही मीन्स योर डिओटी कम्स। सो द लाइन इज तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के वो आता है, इन योर कोर्ट योर डिओटी कम्स विथ फुल फेथ। जिसको तू चाहे हे नबी तू बुलाता है। जिसको तू चाहे, जिसको हुम, तू चाहे मीन्स यू वांट, हे नबी मीन्स ओ नबी, तू बुलाता है, यू कॉल। सो द लाइन इज जिसको तू चाहे हे नबी तू बुलाता है, हुम यू वांट, ओ नबी यू कॉल। सो बोथ लाइन्स आर फ्रेंड्स। तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के आता है, जिसको तू चाहे हे नबी तू बुलाता है। इन योर कोर्ट your devotee comes with full faith, whom you want, O Nabi, you call. Friends, this is only translation, but for better translation friends, you have to see the sense. The word bulata hai, for this we have to use the word permit or permission, then your translation will be better. So friend, the line is again, the lines are तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के आता है, in your court your devotee comes with full faith, whom you want, O Nabi, you permit him to come to your court. Friend, the devotee is troubled with his problems. From many places he visited, but at no place he got any solution. Someone told him, you go to this place, you go to the place of Nabi Karim Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and at that place, only at that place you will get the solution of your miseries, you will get the solution of your problems. That's why, O Nabi Karim Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have come to this court, to this place, and I know that empty handed you will not send me from here. I will get something here, I know it. That's why friend, the word dil thamke with full faith we have to use here. So friend, and one more point friend, in these lines, Hey Nabi, in the place of Hey Nabi, we have to use O Nabi Karim Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have to use here friends. And in our daily life also, suppose someone is saying Hey Asif, Hey Abida, Hey Nazmin. So friends, in the place of these words, in English we have to use O Asif, O Nazmin, O Abida. Friends, you remember this point, that we have to change some words according to the sense. So friends, again the line is तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के आता है, जिसको तू चाहे हे नबी तू बुलाता है। इन योर कोर्ट योर डिवोटी कम्स विथ फुल फेथ, ओ नबी करीम मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, whom you want, you permit to come to your court.
जिसकी बिगड़ी हाय नबी चाहे तू बनाता है।
तेरे दर पर सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ, जिसकी बिगड़ी हाय नबी चाहे तू बनाता है। तेरे दर पर, एट योर कोर्ट, यू कैन से इन योर कोर्ट आल्सो, अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंस। तेरे दर पर सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ, मैं भी आया हूँ इन द लास्ट या है, ई है, ए है, मीन्स प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट। यस फ्रेंड, एंड द रूल इज वेरी इजी, विथ हैव यूज थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब। सो फ्रेंड्स, द लाइन इज तेरे दर पर सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ। एट योर कोर्ट, सर झुकाए मीन्स बोइंग माई हेड, बट बेटर विथ रेस्पेक्ट। मैं भी आया हूँ, आई ऑल्सो हैव कम। तेरे दर पर सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ। एट योर कोर्ट, बोइंग माई हेड, आई ऑल्सो हैव कम। एंड सेकेंड, इन योर कोर्ट, with full respect, I also have come. So anyone you can take according to sense. Because friends, at and in here both are right. Why? If you are inside this place, inside Makkah Medina, then use in, and if you are nearby Makkah Medina, then you use at. Because in the whole universe, friend, in the whole universe, every point is the place of Nabi Karim Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You remember it. And if you are at any place, it is his place, only his place. So friends, the line is तेरे दर पर सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ, जिसकी बिगड़ी हाय नबी चाहे तू बनाता है। तेरे दर पर सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ, आई ऑल्सो हैव कम। इन योर कोर्ट, बोइंग माई हेड मीन्स विथ फुल रेस्पेक्ट। जिसकी बिगड़ी हुज मिसफॉर्च्यून्स, हियर बिगड़ी मीन्स मिसफॉर्च्यून्स, मिजरीज, प्रॉब्लम्स, एनी वर्ड यू कैन टेक। जिसकी बिगड़ी हाय नबी चाहे तू बनाता है। Whose misfortunes, O Nabi, if you want, you remove. Friend, the lines are तेरे दर पर सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ, जिसकी बिगड़ी हाय नबी चाहे तू बनाता है। In your court, with full respect, I also have come. O Nabi, whose misfortunes you remove if you want. Because if you don't want, that person can't get solution of his problems at any place in the whole universe. Only it is the place where a person can get the solution of his problems. So friends, you have to see the sense of the sentence also. भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौटकर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। द ड्यूटी सेइंग, भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौटकर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। फ्रेंड, सी द faith of the devotee to Nabi Karim. See the faith of the devotee to the loving Habiba Khuda, to the loving Mahbuba Khuda, to the loving Noora Khuda. What great faith the devotee has in Nabi Karim Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is saying, भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौटकर मैं ना जाऊंगा खाली। भर दो झोली। Friends, here we have to see the sense of the word. भर दो झोली। भर दो झोली means fulfill my wishes, fulfill my desires. भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, ओ मोहम्मद please fulfill my wishes, please fulfill my wishes. Otherwise, लौटकर मैं ना जाऊंगा खाली. Otherwise, I will not go empty-handed from here. From many places, I have been rejected, but I have great faith in you. Someone has told me, someone has reminded me that if you go with honest thought, with honest desire, then at this place you will be heard. Your voice will be heard. You will get the problems. You will get the solution of your problems. And I know it very well. That's why, He Nabi Karim Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I urge to you, I pray to you that you please fulfill my wishes. Otherwise, empty-handed, I won't go from here. Friend, the line is, भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली. You see the great faith in Nabi Karim of the devotee. Friend, as a baby with love threatens his father, oh father, if you don't give me balloon, then I won't go to school. If you don't give me this toy, then I will not obey you. Similarly, the devotee is saying to Nabi Karim, if you don't fulfill my desires, then empty handed I won't go from here. I will stay here. I will stay here for a long time. And ultimately, you have to fulfill my desires, because my desires are honest. These are that I don't say to fulfill for me by you. So, O Nabi Karim Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, please fulfill my wishes.
भर तो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर तो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। बंद नींदों में भर डाले आंसू, सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में।
बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू, सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में। बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू, सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में। फ्रेंड्स, दीद मीन्स आइज। बंद दीदों मीन्स क्लोज्ड आइज। बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू, सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में। ओ नबी करीम मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, देयर आर टीयर्स इन माई आइज, बट आई हैव क्लोज्ड इट, because I don't want to show my tears to the public, to people, to the world, to the society. They will laugh on me. They will tell me greedy. They will tell me wherever this greedy person goes, he weeps. So that's why I have closed my eyes, because I don't want to show these tears to anybody. And I have great faith in you. I know that from that place you can watch everything. Even if I have closed my eyes, you can watch my tears. And one day you will solve my problems. You will cure my problems. This is my faith in you. That's why after bearing a lot of problems, I have come at this place. I have come to your court. So please, you don't reject me. In my closed eyes, there are tears. And I know that these eyes, you can see even from that place, even I have closed my eyes. So friend, the line is, बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू, सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में। बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू मीन्स इन माई आईज देयर आर टीयर्स, बट आई हैव क्लोज्ड इट, because I don't want to show it someone, because if someone else will see it, then he will see me greedy. He will say that wherever he goes, he weeps, he only weeps. So I have closed my eyes. बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू, सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में। सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में। Friend, silna, the word is sew, and its forms are sew, sewn, sewn, and sew, sewed, sewed. But direct, if you take the word sew here, your answer will be wrong. Your answer will be wrong, totally wrong, because you have to see the sense. The devotee is saying, सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में, means I have captured my sorrows, I have captured my miseries, I have captured my sadness in my heart. Because if I won't do this, then someone else will listen my words. Because if there is sorrow in my heart, then my words someone will listen, and he will say again that I am greedy. That's why I don't want to disclose the sorrows. That's why I have closed my sorrows in my heart, because I know that even if I have captured my sorrows in my heart, then it is not hidden from you. You can watch from there my all problems, and one day you will solve my all problems. Friends, we have to see the lines again from start. तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के आता है, जिसको तू चाहे हे नबी तू बुलाता है. In your court, your devotee comes with full faith. Whom you want, O Nabi, you permit him to come to your court. तेरे दर पर सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ, जिसकी बिगड़ी हाय नबी चाहे तू बनाता है. तेरे दर पे, at your court, I also have come with full faith, with full respect, and I know that you will remove my misery, you will remove my problems. भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं ना जाऊँगा खाली। ओ मोहम्मद, ओ प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद, ओ नबी करीम मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, प्लीज़ फुलफिल माई विशेज, प्लीज़ फुलफिल माई ऑनेस्ट डिजायर्स, अदरवाइज एम्प्टी हैंडेड आई विल नॉट गो फ्रॉम हियर। बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू, सील दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में। बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू मीन्स इन माई आइज देयर आर टीयर्स, बट आई हैव क्लोज्ड इट बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू शो माई टीयर्स टू समवन, अदरवाइज दे विल गिव मी नथिंग एंड दे विल से मी ग्रीडी, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव क्लोज्ड माई आइज। सील दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में। I have captured my sorrows in my heart because again I don't want to show my sorrows to the world. They will not give me anything, but they will say me greedy. Friends, the song is very long and next line we will see in next video. Thanks to give time. Hello friends, these notes are very important and with the help of these notes friends you can improve your English. These friends are helpful in both spoken and examination because friends these notes will make your base very strong. These are word meanings friends. And friends, if you like the video then please like and share it and also subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot to see the video.